Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. I hope you all are doing great. Add warmth, style and comfort to your space with IKEA TIDTABELL rug, a flat woven beauty in timeless grey. Crafted from 100% wool, this rug offers a gentle melange of grey tones that blends effortlessly in any decor. Flat woven for comfort and super practical for dining room or living spaces. It's perfect under chairs and easy to vacuum, and yes, it works with underfloor heating too. Wool rugs naturally shade, so vacuum regularly for spills, blot, don't rub it. And don't forget the STOPP FILT by IKEA to add more safety and comfort for this. When it comes to the measurement, the rug sized at 195 by 133 cm. It fits perfectly under a two-seater sofa or dining table, but works anywhere in your room. When it comes to the price, get all this luxury and function for just rupees 4,490 in INR. That's around 53 USD dollar for the stylish, smart and affordable rug. Bring home comfort and timeless style with TIDTABELL rug from IKEA. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss out any more reviews. See you in the next video. Thank you.